Alright guys, so you guys welcome back to my channel. Madita beng khotli. Yenina, ngine story special ne. And please do not judge. Ningamjudge usisi uditegile, usisi ufuna ama advices and angicela ngestory kamla ngijozine ngistoryteller ngikhuluma into life of nesigaxa unenkinga eyenzeke empilweni yakho ungakona ukuyishare the next person unganginbox ku TikTok la ngizofuna khona inamba la ungathumela khona istory sakho mina ngize nendlebe wona uze nendaba ngize ngapha ngizosithulela abaleleli bethu and bona bahlahle taba wawuvimayile usethi yo musingasiluma Jesus. Okay. I was choosing. I'm very young. I'm a young Makoti, 35 years old. Ngihlala kwami. I have a beautiful house and ngishadiwe ndoda yami na 39. Which I was choosing meaning ndoda yami enguJonasi. uJonasi yena straight esambukele TV, but I got to a point like bona gona gore bana ba tshwana man, and mina I was choosing I can sebenza ngine side hustle, but my husband does everything for me. Everything. Ngihlala ku a beautiful mansion. I do have 2 cars. One of them is German car, and ungithengele zona both of them under amagama wami. So mina neminom asihlali together during the week usemsebenzini uhlala engasemsebenzini uza ngama weekends kuphela. Or awushozi bekile msalulo checka phone ke bone banyana baratana lebona ngihlanye ngibasearch na ku TikTok. I was that wife until ngizela ukuthi you know what umuntu ngeke uzumchange until enafuna ushintsha. So I had to let it go. Awushozi indoda yamayizile ngisukuma vacation like umuntu ukuthi makakhona ipresence yakhe yakhona ukuyifila, but uthatha kenke banyana. But ngajela ukuthi as long as angithanda makalana kazile endlini angifana kuyaka, it's fine man. Akexolisana lebona cause one rad. Okay sharp. What I was choosing ngijwayele ukuthi during the week ngihlimi nabantwana baba bayi2 ngijwayele vele ukuthi sihlala sonke. So my husband uza ka weekend then during the week uyam kommerko. It's okay. Abantwana bam ngiyaba transport esikoleni, mina ngine transport abantwana. So bakhona abantwana engiba transportayo kudikolong ngobona for me ukuthi nami ngibe ne side hustle yakhe kebele chelete yakhe. It's okay. I was choosing kube ukuthi ngiyabahambisa abantwana ngiyabalata ngiyabalanda yabona, then ukukhona umntwana ebamletha ejardini laba abanye vele ngilike ngibasetting ngeprice yabo bayabhadala. So ukhona lo munye umntwana bamlethe ejardini ngimthatha bamletha from bamlethe ejardini laba abanye ngihamba ngiyabacollect. It's fine. So kube nokuthi ukhona umunye ubhudi, so bayacela ufaka umntwana wakhe bekuphathi kwenyanga esikoleni la kungena khona umntwana mkhona, and then abuze esikoleni ukuthi ubani umuntu one transport decide or transport abantwana. Hayi bamtshele ke ngami ukuthi ayikhona usizo transport abantwana, singakunikeza inamba yakhe ufuna. Uthi okay awushozi bamufe inamba, hayi uyangifonela ke ubhuti, hayi unjani ngiyaphila ubaba kade umsane. Okay, namba yakho ngithethe esikoleni but wena uwa transport abantwana. Uthi hayi ngivume ngithi ngitransport abantwana, angitshele ukuthi nginomntwana ngicela ukuthi umlande. Uri ashozi leso sikhathi kungabe 20 something inyanga vele besele iphakathi futhi yangasekupheleni. Angibuza ukuthi ngamcharge malini, ngithi shiyazini ngoba inyanga seyipheleni is difficult for me nokuthi ngikucharge, but sizokhuluma. Utubhuti athi hayi ngizobathi uhlala ngale section le ngizothi ngisection yaka Dore yabona, khala ngasection eDore and mina ngikula lapho manje emsebenzini. So will it be fine if ngamletha ekseni umntwana kwakho endlini and then mangishayisa ngizomcollector or umama yakhe ngokushayisa before mina angamcollector kwakho? Okay sharp. Okay ngicela ungithumele i-pin location ukuthi ngingakhona ukuza lapho. Uthi hayi awushozi umuntu vele eze makafika ke abudi man, ke abudi omright, abudi omfine. Uthi ubudi right, ubudi fine man, fine. Uthi mina awushozi ngilamantombazana la I'm very hairy. Ngihairy lokho kuserious. Ngizigcokele nami i-dress enyala la ngakhona kuyashisa zemasihlangana. Uthi the way angibheke ngakhona awushozi like angibheka athi bengigcoke iroko hurle cleavage ngihairy muso. Uthi ubhuti the way angibheke ngakhona like umbona ukuthi ukhahlekile or aswazi I don't want to lie ne nami angimbona nje ngithi amehlo ambuye like ke khahlekile uthi angibuze ukuthi i-transport malini stuff like that angimtshela ukuthi hayi angeke ngikhona ukucharge manje cause iphakathi kwenyanga but sizokhuluma mana what so ubut at no man ngitshela any price nami ngathi 1000 1.5 2000 it's fine mina ngizoyikhipha so singakuthi umntwana nami uhamba nomuntu and usave Othi ayisike kanjalo ke exchange ama number angitshela ukuthi umntwana uzomletha the following day ekseni sharp uthi the following day awusijozi atlese mwana umntwana umletha kwami ekseni then mina ke ngiyabahambisa ke then after school umntwana usala kwami nginomntwana olingana nomntwana wakhe so thi almost bashana ngawani abantwana boy 2 abafana so uthi uyamshiya ekseni then mina ngisphethe uthi umama uzomlanda then afternoon kuza ubhuti ubhuti yamlanda ke hayi makamlanda like lead that pep talk kilo bona like siyakhuluma nje siyaxoxa hayi mawudinga usizo ungitshele anything mawudinga usizo I'm a handyman I know ukuthi ngakhona ukulungisela izinto eziningi cause you said during the week uhlala uyi-1 uthi kube i-brotherly talk ukuthi no I can assist ngoba usinceda ngomntwana and I highly appreciate into senzela yona hayi uthi ngitshela ukuthi hayi no problem ngizokutshela ke awushoze kube ukuthi nama garage ayi2 kune garage attached endlini kune garage eling aphandle ngojardini uthi hayi bekunomshini so lo mshini lo busy utripisa like motlhagasi waka uyatripisa ke lo bona utripisa kaningi ngicasha umunye ubhuti ngizomtshela ukuthi hayi manicela ukuthi ungilungisele ke lo bona lo mshini lo hayi ubhuti vele eze angicheckela angitshela ukuthi i-problem yini and then vele angilungisele uthi hayi ubrother smother dropa umntwana vele ubona lo muntu lo vele uyaphuma ngibuza ukuthi how my sister bekwenzela ngimchazela ngithi hayi bekaze ngilungisele athi hayi man if you need someone ozokulungisela izinto like you can tell me ngizongilungisela because kuyafana sibonana every day kuseni ngilanga ngisho umntwana afternoon la ngisho umntwana uthi awushoze lo muntu lona azange abe fani kimi azange befani kuyi sikhuluma ngabantwana life kilona izinto ezinjalo then inyanga vele seya engasekupheleni inyanga vele yaphela inyanga maphela uyangibuza ke ubrothers ukuthi since uthi uzobuya kimi inyanga maphela so transport ke buka uri awushozi lo muntu lo since ngimondela la ngamina like can I something better more or can I feelings for this guy and mina ngishadile uguy naye ushadile and awushozi can I feelings kichabo umoto gore ishina wathi wa brother sengi uncomfortable lo ukuthi ulethe umntwana lo uzimlanda and funny part awushozi each and every time makazolanda umntwana ngenza sure ukuthi umthula ngime ngaphandle thola ngime ngaphandle nayo yofika ame ngemoto akhike emotweni and then uzongibulisa unjani how are you uthi the other day uyangibuza unjani angikhona kahle indaba imali so ngibangifakele imali ngithi mina ngase yabona angakuthi ngifakele imali uthi okay but ngizoyifaka ke hence wena awukhona ukungicharge so lengifakile ke uzothi uthi hayi ngizobonga mina I will appreciate any amount also setsokubolela akusabolela ngqondo hobolela Jesus uthi sekhuluma inhliziyo ke manje akusakhulumi ingqondo yebusiness woman abana uthi hayi awushozi inyanga iphela umuntu vele angidepositele ke 1000 it's okay abanye awusuke babhadala ama 700 and ubamlethayo lo umunye bebamletha ke babhadala 500 so yena vele afake 1000 rand it's okay vele ngimbaleli SMS cause ngimbaleli WhatsApp cause ses exchange ama number vele ngimWhatsApp ngithi hayi ngiyabonga naye athi hayi ngiyabonga for ama services wakho okay awushozi isikhathi saya uthi sangwana uyaletha umntwana every day ekseni uyothatha umntwana every afternoon umsajja hahle and ushadile ubrothers unomfazi uyine family yakhe but umfazi akizi kuza yena endlini uthi awushozi kube nesikhathi la ngiba ne problem ngegate yami so igate yangihlupha hayi uzile ngiyamtshela isgate yangihlupha athi imagine no ngicela ngitshelela abafana abazogubha la and then mina ngizokhona ukufakela ngizofakela yona no problem ngimbuza ukuthi so if uzongifakela igate izoba malini ubrothers athi no kuzoba yi00 charge don't worry uthi hayi vele the following day ngithola abafana bagubhe awushozi vele alungise igate isebenze after month of ngimbuza ngiyobhadela bukai athi hayi man ungawari akunankinga mina no siyancedana. Hayi ngibonge awusijuzi brother sangena emotweni atsamaye. Uthi awushozi ke mina no guys sesijwayele ukuthi ke siyakhuluma like sa WhatsApp because afuna contact number yami nami ne contact number yakhe. So one day ke like social media so ngibona this post ekhuluma ngama age ukuthi umuntu ngwela like uwela ngakuphi lo wela ngakuphi lona. So ngiyamthumela ke uyahleka. So yangibuza ukuthi hlahleke wena ke uneminyaka engaki manje ukuthi hayi mina I'm 35 ngimbuza ngithi wena ngake athi no mina ngina 40. Okay angibuza ukuthi kahle isibongo sakho akabani ngimtshele ukuthi hayi mina isibongo sami kwaMahlangu. Then ngimbuza ukuthi wena athi hayi mina yimi wakanzimande. Ngithi okay athi ngibuze ngehusband yami athi indoda yakho inangaki nje ukuthi una 39. Athi okay mina ngibuza ukuthi umfazi wakho nangaki athi umfazi wami ulingana nawe nge-age. Okay sharp awushozi like esosikhathi ngiyakhetha ke like serious ngikhetha the feelings for this guy yabona uthi hayi kube nokuthi abantwana baya e-trip abantwana bethu because bangena isikole se-1N bashana ngawane year uthi baya e-trip mabaya e-trip so sibuyoba sinabo uzoba collect 10 uzobalanda uzolanda lo wakhe hawu masime ngaphandle umntwana athi hayi mama mina bengicela ukuthi ngihambe sasa masikhapha esikolweni imani sidropa off esikolweni bengicela ukuthi sasa sihambe ngemoto yaka mama Mahlangu sothi usisi wangisho Mahlangu sithi mama Mahlangu yaka mama Mahlangu the German car cause kaningi mangimakhapha ngale encane not the actual German car yabona so athi ngicela ukuthi sasa manje sikhapha sikhapha ngemoto kaMama Mahlangu uthi ubrother si athi hayi tshela nomamenu atshela umntwana wakhe athi tshela nomamenu kutshela naye khuluma phela umamenu khuluma naye cabanga abantwana bethu bayikhuluma mina leso sikhathi uthi asiza khuluma so inhliziyo yami ikhetha kakhulu what awusoze makhuluma so inhliziyo yami manje ikhetha kakhulu sele athi tshela nomamenu uthi hayi the following day vele avele afike ke makafika vele azoletha umntwana ukuthi sibakhapha baya e-tripini awusijuzi uthengile udlule garage uthengile abantwana to everything yama nga2 minutes ukuthi uthengile umntwana wami thela umntwana wakhe qedela akhiphe 200 rand anikeze umntwana wami anikeze nomntwana wakhe hayi qedalana ngithi okay do you mind ukuthi singahamba sonke ngemoto yami uguy was like no I don't mind skivele sibe ifamily awusijuzi I'm driving ubrother sonke ko passenger city abantwana bahleli ngale muva uthi ayisihambe vele ngikhole mina ngeKFC ngithengela abantwana iKFC qedalana intop of le 100 rand abaphe wona nakethenze ka 50 rand because every snack bebanayo ke bekabathengele ke ubabonzimande uthaye awusijuzi kungabi nenkinga nanoma sesiyobalanda abantwana late sengihamba naye sisuka vele endlini sesihamba together ke so landa abantwana esikoleni mababuya re together uthi ubrother athi kimi athi no ngoba isikhathi sezingoma manje like wena indaba yingoma like ufila jonka koma uthi ngimje ngithi mina indoda yambele angayanga ngomini enasomuntu wezingoma so mina umntwana kayi hayi unzimande naye ashwa time mina noma ngimisa umntwana angisumuntu wezingoma so how about mina ngibathathe boyithu abantwana labo bafana ngibathathe boyithu ngibayise doctor don't stress about imali badala mina ngizobabhadala labo yithi isikhathi esi1 or asijuzi like as much as ngikhetshane but nginendoda mina like ngizothina endodeni yamntwana savela circumcised mina ngakakhuluma ngendodeni kubhadele ngindoda uthi ngathi hayi ngizobona ngisaba ukuthi uzolimali uthi awusoze I wanted to say yes but kanani or nakimsali yamuntu so angeke kukhonakala uthi hayi ngamuphi excuse what ubrother was like no what sizokhuluma ngayo the wesinye isikhathi uthi awusijuzi isikhathi masiya the other time awusijuzi igate igarage yami ayikhona uvula so every time ageza ubrothers mina vele ngivula iminyango garage then ngimela ngaphandle nesilethe umntwana sithola sibe ngaphandle every day so lelanga like igarage yakhe ayibaxubuleha vele afike makafike athi no what ngine toolbox lana ebakini mama ngicheck yabona uthi hayi ubrothers atkhiphe toolbox afihle alukise emnyango garage awulukisa mnyango bereke ngithi hayi ngiyobhadala imali athi wife ukuthi ungibhadale angikubhadalisi I told you nanoma kungaba nenkinga ube ne breakdown or ube ne tire puncture or ube itire lakho libe flat anyway whatever time it is umfonele ngizoza ngizoassist or asijozi makasho njalo ngikhetha west like uthi manje la sengiyakhetha ngikhetha serious ke manje and ubrothers ngama weekends sibonana Monday to Friday. Uthi ngama weekends kube umuntu ukuthi mayangibona ukuthi ngiposte something ku status uzokuthi hi how are you bengithi ngiyakucheck lena ke tla bekira hi nami bengikucheck but or awusozi like ube into eyenzeka for isikhathi eside. So one time brothers like ngiyam WhatsApp vele inkolo besivalile besingasabonani at all like uyam WhatsApp uthi long time right bengithi ngicheck uhlala enza njalo every day and awushozi umuntu lona mas together like mazokhatha umntwana like obulela soft awushozi umuntu like iketches and naye ngiyakhona ukubona ukuthi uketchile but like akasho next. So ngidecide ukuthi you know what angizofela ngaphakathi mina. I know I'm married angithi ahlala ayeke umfazi wakhe because mina nothing ngiyeke notama uJonas was enjoy didn't want someone ozongitaza kilo what something like fun things fail no strings attached kilo one uthi I was choosing ke ngim WhatsApp ngithi you know what ungenza kanjani like ukuthi ngimbuza ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ungiphi advice on something. Okay, I was like okay yini inkinga siku WhatsApp leso sikhathi uthi what if like there is something you need to tell someone but uyasaba but into le like I release every day like isengqondweni yakho ungayenza kanjani. Uthi brothers aphendule athi no mina ngakhuluma ngibe free ngoba angeke phela ngifele ngaphakathi angeke ngakhuluma ngibe free. Uthi makakusho kanjalo awushoza kube ukuthi lo muntu luna like ngithoke like uyangibamba kilo uyangibamba brothers. Uthi balelo la ngavele ngingambuzi ayikudlula amalanga vele ngibona ukuthi this thing like no siyangihlukumeza lo muntu lo the voice ngiyamkhumbula mangamboni izinto ezinjalo. Uthi ngidecide to know what sindiyabulala siyaphilisa this time this person ngiyamtshela ukuthi mina ngifila kanjani. Uthi hayi ngi WhatsApp ke ngimtshela ukuthi ishimina guy like the way ungenzela ngakhona izinto uyangi-assista for free like you're there for me siyakhuluma siyachata uze wena ngize sikusitshela ukuthi delete ama chats and stuff. So mina kuzo zonke lezi zinto lezo like sengikhechile like mina I'm in love with you ngiyakuthanda from day one ngikubona uthi sisters uthi vele like ngivula inhliziyo yami ngibe open ngimtshele what yena angeke afele ngaphakathi rather atshele lo umuntu lo uthi ngithathe advice yakhe ngikhulume like ngibolele or ngawurata everything the way khuluma ngakhona nale way utreat ngakhona umntwana nami nokuthi angiWhatsApp elimbuza ukuthi njani ngibulisa umntwana nami izinto ezinjalo. So mina ngikhechile uthi awusithi asanga disappointeka so othazanga disappointeka so empilweni yami. Brothers was like mama hlanga into yenza wrong why ufuna ukuthi kube so why mina into yakho ngiyahlonipha even though ungayazi but ngiyahlonipha and I also respect my wife. So I don't think ukuthi into ufuna ukuthi yenze ngiyenzeke like mina nawe sazwana nje esabazali but I don't think ukuthi into yethu ngaya phambili. So angeke kube ne relationship between mina nawe or awusithi like ngatheneka off like ngahlaba amahloni ukuthi this person nakifila ngifila ngathi ufila the same way ngifila ngakhona kanti next uthatha engayenza into le uthi awusithi umuntu still azangashintshe useze endini siya communicate usangu WhatsApp yabona busy yangicheck every day yangu WhatsApp uthi ngacela indaba ngimtshela ukuthi no what ngicela ukuthi ungasangu WhatsApp ungicheck ungibuza ukuthi how was my day in like and then mina end up ngiyakhetha and then ngicela nawe ngitshela izinto zakho uthi awusoze kufanele sokulela so umuntu asbaste ahleke uthi I need to decide ukuthi no what now ngiyazidistance angisakhuluma na WhatsApp. Uthi awusoze this guy aka give up usangibulisa usangichecka usangu WhatsApp but now I'm holding back but akutona kamorata my brother sangafuna ukungiphi chance ukuthi mina na stickilizane kuphela. So uthi ngimbuza ukuthi situation esowenza kanjani because uyakhona ubona ukuthi uguy ufila the same way but ukuthi ubanjwe yini ukuthi into yabo ibe into yabo e2 iphelele under the sheets but brothers akafuna ukuthi this thing ephambili uhlele uyamWhatsApp every day yambuza ukuthi unjani have a lovely day but ayiphambili this thing. So also or ketse jwang should like cut him off ngasathathi umntwana wakhe ingasa transport umntwana wakhe ngiphume completely kuyi or ngihlale lana angibuze kaningi until one day ubrothers athi hayi man asizame this thing. So or ngibuthiselena hore basadi ayise jwang cause yena okay cheese go in love good love land with this person but the person akafuna ukuthi ammite halfway or this thing yabona ibe hush kube yabethu badle basolumlo ngicela ngiphephise some advice too. Ngicela ukuthi ngiphephise some advice. Sharp.